You guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be playing with Mia, aka Darth Moss, Deals Donuts,
aka Candace,
and Anthony Montana
with the donut hat,
aka Anthony. We are going to be playing, what's the game called?
Build a boat for treasure.
Build a boat for treasure, guys. So let's get on. I know you haven't seen Deals Done in the videos for just primary reasons.
Hey, I'm slapping you.
Pam, I'm not.
Here's a place to fit my butt on.
Oh, no. Cash, I'm recording that. I'm recording that right now. I have the recorder. I have it. I just have it.
Did I build something wrong? Today we're going to be building the most ugliest boats in the universe.
I've seen all of your guys' comments, and I love them all. Thank you guys for hearting our comments when we comment them down below. And if you do heart our comment, I will shout you out in the next video, probably. I usually comment down below if you want us to do that. If you guys like our hearts, I will shout you out in the next video.
Comment down below.
Comment down below if you want us to do that. If two, then I will start doing that more. We'll start doing that more.
Comment down below. Why is my screen going slow? Because everyone's talking.
That's
Rude.
Weird.
So today we're going to be building the most ugliest boats. You guys heard me. The most ugliest.
I need to reset my character because I could not get the build sign out, like everything out to build. So I need to reset my character. I want to zoom in my screen. I don't like to be.
I want it.
Hey!
I want it.
Guys, there's a seat right here. Guys, I don't know whose seat this is right here. Guys, this is somebody's seats. I don't know. Kesha, check this is yours. Anthony, check this if this is yours. That's Anthony.
Please launch the boat.
Not yet.
For some reason, this boat kind of looks like a shoe. The little old shoe that the grandma used to live in.
Oh. Wait, guys, you know you could have built a bigger one?
That's how it's ugly. Also, if you think bigger, Mia, just build bigger, okay? Make more room. I used all my blocks already.
I'm playing as Deals Donut.
Hey, you better not be playing as me. You better not be trying to zoom on your screen to look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Also, today me and Anthony are the donut twins. Also, link in the comments. Do you think we look alike since we both have donuts? Tell us in the comments. Do you think we look alike as the donut twins? Also, this month it was me and Anthony's birthday, and my birthday was on February 10th. Also, wish me a happy later birthday, please. And on the 25th, it's Anthony's birthday. Mine was on the 10th.
Comment them down below. Say happy birthday to both of them, man.
We're special. We're special, yo.
Ready? Ready, guys?
Let's launch this shoe.
Please launch this boat for service.
Okay, I'll launch it.
It says 1 out of 2. Oh, 2 people need to vote.
I can launch it. Okay, I'll launch it.
This is a weird.
Wait, Mia, did you make a wall in front of you so you don't die first? Did you make a wall in front of you? Because there's a wall right next to you.
Oh, yes. No.
You are gonna die. You are gonna die. You are gonna die. Caution. Bye. Caution. We'll see you in heaven when we die soon.
Guys,
or maybe we'll never die. Maybe we can live on a boat for the rest of our lives.
like a space unicorn.
That lives in the sky forever.
I've glitched. I'm not dying. I've glitched.
Are
Guys,
you actually?
I'm actually glitched. I'm not dying in the water.
Just reset.
Yeah, I need to reset. I can't go in.
Are you showing your picture, Mia?
Huh?
Are you showing your picture?
Oh, I needed to die.
So yeah, I am
That.
the one who survived. Ow!
Comment down below also if you want us to play different games besides Roblox. Like, we could also play, like, Craft Build. We can also play different ones we have.
Rest of the game. Whatever you comment down below. We can comment down below that I can play. That we could record another video.
Anthony, can you record, like, any, like, racing game or something?
Like Bus Simulator.
Yeah, Bus Simulator. Or, like, it's not Roblox
in the
game?
comments down below, tell us which game we should play next. And we'll pick and see which comment we really want to do. Ah, my God!
What, did you just say your guts?
I didn't say
say
I said our butts. Guts.
Guts, butts, guts, mutts, nuts.
You know what? Why? Oh, I thought if we had our pickaxe in the water, I could have
We're
made
gonna
half of our
crash.
boat.
Oh my gosh, I am sitting down here, relaxing.
Yeah, I wish we could.
Oh my!
I wish we could record. Oh, I'm not dying. Yes, I just died.
I got.
Like Anthony, say our boat was like a twig side. I was sitting on twig while Anthony was sitting over nothing, and our boat tipped over.
I got
and we
3
died.
plus rusty wood and 2 wood.
I got 52 gold stuff. So
and
I
2 trampolines.
so I don't know what to do.
Besides, how did I get too many stuff? I got 3 rusty wood.
I have like 2 of
Oh,
everything.
do you like the bird whistle?
It's not a whistle.
The bird
I-
singing.
I have 8.
Do you like the bird singing?
Yes.
I don't know if the camera can hear the bird singing, but if you can, love it.
Oh my gosh! There's a block falling.
Who is adding twigs?
Me, I need to add twigs. So I want to die.
Do you want to be like the second little pig adding twigs?
Yes, I do.
I'm building a wall right in front of me.
I'm gonna build an abandoned, like. Hey, I'm gonna build a rusty. Like wood. Here goes. Building rusty wall.
There you go.
Wait, I don't know where my seed is. Where's my seed?
You have to get it from the inventory.
Oh
with
my
the hammer.
gosh! I still
No,
have
for a second I lost it.
I have 5 woods left.
Wait, do not launch this boat yet.
Wait, I'm still building.
Yeah, Mia. Do not think about launching this boat.
Do not thinking about laughing at it. Okay. Wait, I'm almost ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's
No, no,
get.
no.
No, what?
No, mommy. Don't come. Look at me. Look at my screen.
Somebody else needs to vote to go. I already voted. So I said yes, we need to launch our boat.
Oh, this time I didn't launch. Okay, for some reason our boat kind of looked like a mini airplane. Zoom out.
It's
Like it right in
falling.
front of me. Just kind of zoom out. And
Everything
in the
is
front of
falling
us.
apart.
We kind of look like an airplane. That's
Guys,
about
and we're
to crash.
tilted.
Oh no, I think this
Our
time
boat's tilting.
I'm gonna die next. I think I'm gonna die next. And you might be the survivor since you died last.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh my god!
Seriously, I think Anthony's gonna die.
Bye, Kesha.
Ow!
Kesha, you're almost on the edge. Your
I
feet
think
are
Mia's
almost in the
gonna
water.
die because she's on the side.
Hey.
Yeah, but I have a wall behind me.
I mean, Mia's gonna die because she's on the side.
Hey. I have 2 bars next.
Kesha, we're about to hit a rock.
Oh no, I seriously think I'm gonna die now. Please, take me to heaven if I die. I didn't do anything wrong for Christmas. Please. Take me to heaven.
May Luigi Sam.
No.
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 He's ugly.
No.
Can you actually see him? Let me see.
I just assumed he's
Luigi.
ugly.
Ooh, he has so much Robux. This guy's famous. He has YouTube. He says YouTube and like he has a boombox.
I just assume he's ugly because
Maybe we should have let
we're
him
in the podcast.
Yeah.
We're on
No,
YouTube.
we didn't let him in. No, I shouldn't let him in. No!
Oh no, he's not. Don't let him on a team. I am gonna be on a different boat. Not.
What's up?
Don't tell me he's on our team.
No, yeah, but I was
Don't
going to
tell
chat
me
him.
Mia's gonna die to heaven.
No, I actually think I'm gonna die. Look, the boat.
No, I'm gonna die.
No, do you see the boat? Oh, it's kind of straight.
Oh, go back, Kesha.
No, I'm gonna die.
Kesha's gonna die.
We haven't none
I'm
died
gonna die and then I'm gonna cry.
yet. We have none died yet.
Well,
but
Mia
the boat's tilting. The boat's tilting.
Ah, Mia, I completely think you're gonna die now.
Uh-oh.
Our boat is breaking into million pieces.
Oh my.
Oh my god, one more rock and I think this boat's gonna tip over.
I'm gonna die.
No, I'm gonna die.
Oh.
Mia died!
Die, I'm on my seat.
Ew, why are you in the water?
Hi, guys.
How are you living this?
I don't know how much it is.
The clock is ticking.
So say, are we gonna do this?
Wait, my hand's gone! Wait a minute!
You guys died while I'm alive? Sitting on a potty seat.
Did you guys see? Sorry, I wasn't recording, but my hand was gone. My hand was
Kesha, how are you guys dead while I'm sitting on a seat?
Anthony, let's build our own boat and go catch Mia.
I'm buying something. Two rusty woods.
Anthony,
One glass.
I'm dead. I jumped off my seat.
One
by accident.
pole bar.
It looks like a potty seat for a minute. For a minute, it looked like a little toilet seat.
I'm gonna build it. No.
Yes. Dude, he has so much Robux.
No.
Dude.
No.
Mia, don't sacrifice the Robux for his looks.
I don't even like it.
It's like I have a boyfriend. What, he's on a team?
No.
He left. Oh, now there's somebody named Deadpool.
He might ask for to be on the team because we have so much showings.
Wah.
And because of how our good looks look.
Good luck because I have 8 wood blocks now.
I think a lot of people in this game, I think like the 2 other boys in this game are going to be joining us. Because don't you know that we're kind of famous? We have a lot of them.
Yeah.
Well, I don't technically.
I have 130.
Whore.
I have 132. This guy, look at, guys keep running in.
So boat. Make our boat look ugly.
Wait, guys, I just realized something.
And look at this.
Kiss.
Look what I got today. Look what I got.
Canis,
Wait, where is it?
Canis,
What did I get?
Canis,
Is this mine?
Canis, you know what I just realized?
What?
What?
That there's more boys than girls in here. Done. We're gonna have to get beat up. We're gonna get beaten up.
The
Can't.
sailing boat.
Catch up, we have to leave. We'll get beat up. I want to get beat up.
I'm gonna punch you by pointing you.
I'm on this tower. Do you see this? I am Rapunzel in the ugliest tower ever.
Bye.
Mia, look at me.
I'm not on your guys' team anymore. I wanted pink.
Wait, what? You left us?
I wanted pink.
Okay, fine. We'll be
Don't
in a different server.
Hey, don't yell at her. I'm punching you.
My dog must join your team.
Yes.
I punched you.
Just kidding. No, I just wanted to check it out. I just wanted to see if that was actually a real pink. It's purple.
I'm gonna punch you.
I don't want purple.
Hey, Kesha, I'm gonna punch you like this.
Seriously, do you see me on Rapunzel's tower? I'm the new Rapunzel. And the donut hat. Pink and blue hair with a
A
donut hat.
bandit glass.
I'm Rapunzel. You better respect me
I
because
can't.
You gotta respect me. I'm a Disney princess.
Look at my life.
Would you get off me? Get off, Rapunzel!
Can somebody launch this boat?
Okay, Mia, I get a seat. We're about to be taken off.
Yeah, about to be taken up.
I need to run. Run to safety.
Mia, you made our boat over. You made our boat.
That was not me. I didn't even have a seat, so how could have I? I don't have a seat.
You just stepped off and you kind of made our boat slant. Look.
No, I didn't.
Oh my gosh, everything's falling apart.
I'm in Rapunzel's tower. In a abandoned boat.
I died.
I'm still on my Rapunzel tower. I'm still the beautifulest one of all. Not you, Mia.
Oh, but I have kitty ears and I have a lei. Like, it looks pretty. Anthony, tell me I look pretty.
Have love donut.
Do I look pretty?
I'm gonna punch you.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah, punch her. Punch her.
Can I join a different team?
Okay, fine. Join the ugly purple team.
I don't want dumb purple. I want purple.
It seems behind over here.
I'm still on the boat.
No.
This boat is breaking
Are
us.
you gonna punch me then?
No.
I'm still on this boat. On. Prince Charming, will you save me since I'm drowned? Since I'm in the sea. Will you save me? Please, Prince Charming. I'm lost.
Mia, how many minutes was that?
That was a long minute. I mean, literally, Kesha's on there for like a minute now. That's how long Kesha's been on there. On here for a minute.
They're both trying to tip over.
How long was it, you say? It was a minute. It was a minute.
Prince Charming didn't save me too quick.
You're not Prince Charming. You're not Rapunzel. I'm Rapunzel. I have the pink. I have the stuff that.
Seriously, why would Rapunzel have
Abandoned Rusty.
So, Poppy O'Hare does.
Abandoned Rusty.
That's Rapunzel's daughters. If you ever watch Ever After High.
Hey, comment down below. Do you watch Ever After High?
Yeah. I watch Ever After High, Poppy O'Hare, and I forgot the other ones. But Poppy O'Hare, I think, has the longest hair of all. She's the brown-haired girl. The boom in your face.
I'm looking at Kesha. Oh wait, the wall's blocked. Hey, I'm gonna be sitting
Hey, Anthony, that's my seat.
So I hope you guys for watching. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.